Construction downtown is just as busy today as it was before the pandemic. Construction workers are considered essential employees and job sites are full. Our investigative reporter Ben Hall found many sites, though, aren't following social distancing. That's creating fear among some workers.
4 states have halted what they call non-essential construction for things like office buildings and hotels. But here in Nashville, construction is going strong.
Riding around Davison, I've seen several projects that I would just say to myself, I'm glad I'm not on that project.
Not even the coronavirus is stopping construction downtown. Victor White with the Carpenters Union is concerned by what he's seeing.
In times of crisis like this, you have to slow the schedule down just a little bit to provide a safe environment for your workforce.
Driving through town, we found many active construction sites with workers not wearing masks. We saw workers going up on lifts side by side. Over and over again, we saw employees clustered closely together.
Frequently, these workers don't feel they can speak up. They don't feel they have the protections to speak up.
Ethan Link is with a union that represents construction workers across the Southeast. He says many workers travel from job to job and state to state.
They are likely to be in North Carolina next week or in Florida next month. And that's exactly the kind of thing that causes these kind of things to spread throughout an entire industry.
White says COVID-19 has been found on construction sites from the Canadian border to Miami. He's most concerned about labor brokers that hire workers during labor shortages because those workers are more transient, moving from city to city.
We're concerned for everybody in the industry because at some point down the road, they may be, working side by side with us.
Some large contractors like TVA now provide training videos for workers. That training might prevent people from sitting closely together like this during their lunch breaks. Some contractors are providing masks and hand washing stations.
It is not necessary to shut down construction sites if the workers are given the proper training and the proper protective equipment.
We found many workers wearing masks, which is a good start. But the bigger concern is that some construction workers might be afraid to call in sick for fear of losing a paycheck or even a job. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.